case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1907, the citizens of Allegheny faced a significant legal challenge when the state of Pennsylvania authorized the integration of Allegheny with the neighboring city of Pittsburgh. The move, instigated by the Pennsylvania General Assembly, had wide-reaching effects on local legislation and tax regulations, causing many of Allegheny's populace to vociferously protest against what they saw as a violation of their rights. Those who opposed the merger clocked up significant legal mileage, first filing objections to the consolidation petition, claiming that the Act of Assembly violated their constitutional rights. A journey through the judicial ranks followed after the Court of Quarter Sessions, Superior and Supreme Courts of the state dismissed their claims. Eventually, they would come to stand before the Supreme Court of the United States. At the heart of the contention stood a series of complex questions surrounding regulation and taxation in the wake of altered municipal boundaries. The plaintiffs argued that the consolidation increased property taxes and violated a perceived contract between the City of Allegheny and its citizens. They further claimed that their private property had been unfairly seized without compensation. However, the legal labyrinth seemed to close at every turn, with lower courts asserting that the act did not infringe on the Constitution and that no contract between the city and its residents existed. In the final chapter of this legal saga, the Supreme Court agreed with these conclusions, frustrating the plaintiffs' hopes for a favorable judgment. Ultimately, the court underscored that the state had the complete discretion to modify or withdraw powers from municipal corporations and could even unite different municipalities under its jurisdiction. It held that the Constitution of the United States offered no protection for citizens against the effects of such actions. Adding a final twist of the legal knife, the court ruled that there wasn't enough evidence to prove that the City of Allegheny held private property. Therefore, the question of whether it could be seized without compensation became irrelevant, leaving the Act of Assembly unchallenged and ushering in a new era of consolidated governance for the residents of Allegheny and Pittsburgh.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.